What is SaaS3? SaaS3 is the next-generation software as a service. Look at the evolution of software as a service. We have SaaS 1.0 and SaaS 2.0. Nowadays, benefiting from Web3 and blockchain technology, we are stepping into SaaS 3.0 era. The first-generation SaaS is web-based software on the browser click to use and without download. However, no interactions among different software. Therefore, SaaS 2 solves the problem by integrating isolated software to be an all-in-one SaaS platform. But SaaS 2 apps are still controlled and authorized by centralized institutions. Here, we deliver SaaS 3. SaaS 3 equals SaaS 2 plus decentralization and permissionless. How does SaaS 3 work? SaaS 3 is based on a permissionless Oracle network. SaaS 3 can not only upload the off-chain data feed to the on-chain, but also offers trustful off-chain computation services. In fact, 90% DApps and blockchain games are centralized in deployment. Now, they can deploy on SaaS 3 oracles to become fully decentralized apps. The real world is disconnected from the blockchain. Web 2 data is not available to the on-chain smart contracts. Blockchain Oracle comes to connect the real world and blockchain with zero trust. There are two major features for a smart contract. The first one is permissionless. The developer can directly write the smart contract and deploy it on the blockchain without any permission. The second is decentralization. The developer does not need to offer any centralized hardware to run the smart contract. However, current blockchain oracles, such as the famous Chainlink API 3, require permission to deploy and are centralized on single-point servers. Whereas in SaaS 3, we believe an oracle should be deployed permissionlessly and executed with decentralization, just like a smart contract. SaaS 3 builds a decentralized serverless runtime, namely D-Runtime. Any Web 2 API can be one-click deployed by Oracle operators on SaaS 3 D-Runtime to become decentralized API. Once an on-chain request comes, SaaS 3 miners automatically execute the D APIs, so that Oracle operators do not need to provide computation resources. SaaS 3 miners do not need to care Oracle functionalities. Such a mechanism allows developers to quickly and easily set up their customizable oracles. In this manner, the data categories will be very diversified on the SaaS 3 Oracle networks, such as sports competitions, the housing price of one particular building, and the election event. Any data available in the world can be brought on-chain through SaaS 3's permissionless Oracle network. Different from traditional oracles such as Chainlink and API 3, they only have one-layer aggregation. SaaS 3 applies two-layer aggregation to improve data fidelity. The first layer aggregates the multiple miners' outputs to be one particular API's response, and the second layer aggregates the different API responses to finalize the output and return it to on-chain protocols. SaaS token has the following utilities. 1. Creator stake. To create a D API, creator should stake SaaS tokens. 2. Miner stake. To become miners in the network, they have to stake SaaS tokens. 3. Retailer stake. Retailer holders stake SaaS token to DAPIs and miners as the collateral to get incentive rewards. 4. API usage fee. Users request SaaS 3 Oracle and pay with the SaaS token. 5. Gas fee. SaaS token is paid by the API requesters to the miners to execute the DAPI. 6. Governance. SaaS token is used for governance behavior in the SaaS 3 DAO and community. SaaS 3 service will be available on multiple public blockchains by cross-chain message transfer protocols. SaaS 3 is the next-generation software as a service, empowering the blockchain oracle with permissionless and decentralization, just like a smart contract.